Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the best settings to maximize both sound quality and battery life on your Apple AirPods, including AirPods, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max. We'll cover everything from built-in iOS features to expert tips, helping you get the most out of your AirPods in 2026. Balancing audio fidelity and battery efficiency is key, so let's dive in. For AirPods Pro, transparency mode allows you to hear your surroundings while still enjoying audio, consuming less power than active noise cancellation or ANC. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates an immersive experience but drains battery faster. Toggle it on and off in the control center as needed. Also, customize the EQ settings to your liking within Apple Music or using third-party apps like Sonic Studio. Tailoring the sound prevents overworking the processor, which can impact battery life. Now, let's focus on battery life. Enable optimized battery charging in Settings, Battery Health. This feature learns your charging habits and slows down charging overnight to preserve battery health in the long run. If you're running low, use low power mode. This reduces audio processing, extending playback by 2 to 3 hours, although it slightly reduces ANC performance. Keeping your AirPods firmware up to date is crucial for both sound and battery optimization. Apple regularly releases updates that address bugs, improve performance, and introduce new features. Ensure your AirPods are connected to your iOS device and that you have the latest version of iOS, currently iOS 18.2. Firmware updates often include optimizations for power consumption and audio processing. Adaptive audio modes on newer AirPods use machine learning to automatically adjust sound based on your environment and usage patterns. In a quiet room, the audio adjusts for clarity, while on a noisy street, it adapts to maintain sound quality without excessive power use. This AI-driven efficiency can extend battery life by up to 20% in noisy settings, helping balance sound quality and power consumption. These adaptive features are increasingly important for getting the most out of your AirPods. Real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of AirPods battery optimizations. A 2025 study followed a marathon runner using AirPods Pro 3rd generation with low power mode and transparency mode activated. This combination delivered 8 hours of battery life, allowing continuous access to coaching audio throughout the entire 26.2-mile run without interruption. In Apple's internal testing with remote employees, enabling the battery optimizer feature reduced daily charging requirements by 30%. This allowed users to maintain productivity throughout extended work sessions with minimal battery anxiety. Experts recommend adjusting your listening habits to conserve battery. Choose the right audio settings for your current environment to extend playback time. Avoid consistently using active noise cancellation at maximum levels, especially in quieter environments. High ANC drains battery faster than necessary. Regular cleaning of your AirPods also helps maintain sound quality and prevents overheating, which can impact battery life and performance. According to iFixit, batteries degrade over time due to lithium-ion chemistry. After a few years of regular use, replacing the battery might be necessary to restore full capacity and performance. Looking ahead, potential solar charging AirPods may be on the horizon, harnessing sunlight to extend battery life. Expect deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem for predictive charging based on calendar data, anticipating your daily needs. Health-focused features, like ear-tip pressure monitoring, may extend wear time and improve overall comfort. These innovations aim for longer battery life and the use of eco-friendly materials for sustainable design.